outside. I can't force the doorknob because I'm holding my iPad. Just look at this. We're getting flooded back to back, back to back. This is horrific. It's great. Tornado just swept Edison. That's where my grandma lives. It's an EF1 to 110 miles per hour. That just swept Edison. It didn't sweep it, but it just did a lot of damage to Edison. This is crazy. There's thunder out here. I heard there's a big thunderclap. This is night might be flooded average in New Jersey, but when the storm was still going, when the storm was still going, the whole road was wet and stuff. Whole road. Trees are blowing. That's good. Good. That's good. A lot of things are happening to New Jersey everywhere. Severe thunderstorm warning everywhere. Tornado watches everywhere. Tornado warnings everywhere. The weather's crazy out here. Wind just swept a place in New York or New Jersey. Saw it on the news. There was debris everywhere. This is horrible weather. I call New Jersey the flood state. We're always getting flooded. Just rain comes down and floods the whole thing. It's like our bathroom flood, but way worse, but 10 times worse. By a tunnel by our house, a large tree is uprooted, ripped straight out of the ground. And there's a tree by the park by my house in this complex, and it's uprooted and it's tilting on another tree. And I found that when my friend Peg and my two cousins DJ and Michael right here, going back to North Carolina. Go check out Michael Macker.